In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order from Temu in India. Whether you're trying to buy your favorite products from Temu but can't find India listed, or you simply want to find a working method to shop and ship items to your address, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Temu website on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and click on Orders and Account. From there, select N, that's the language option, and then click Change Country Region. Now scroll through the list of countries. If India doesn't appear, don't worry. You can select another country like Australia or United States. Click Switch to Australia or whichever country you choose, and the website will automatically refresh to show prices in that country's currency. This allows you to browse and place orders even if Temu hasn't officially launched in India yet. Next, head back to the home page and choose the product you want to order. Click on the item, and if a verification screen appears, just complete the puzzle or CAPTCHA to continue. Once you're on the product page, click Add to Cart. After adding all your desired items, click Go to Cart. On the checkout page, you'll be asked to enter your shipping address. Here's the trick: you can still enter India as your country and fill in your street address, zip code, and city details. Make sure all your information is accurate so there's no issue during delivery. Once that's done, click Save and proceed to purchase. Before finalizing your order, double-check your address and payment method. Some users prefer using international cards or virtual payment services that work with cross-border purchases that can make the process smoother. After completing payment, you'll receive a confirmation email and tracking details once your order is shipped. Delivery times may vary, especially if you're using a workaround through another region, so keep an eye on your email for updates. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to order from Temu in India easily, even if the platform isn't officially available yet. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick online shopping guides.